What are you doing? There's another customer over there.
I'm sorry, sir. My mom called.
You are fired. Bagyo.
Good morning, ma'am. I submit my requirements. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I am Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, how may I assist you? I'm here for a job interview. May I know your name, please? My name is Joanna May Maniklang. Okay, ma'am. Go in the office. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. I am Daniela Erkay Estepa. I am the head of this company. Nice to meet you, ma'am. I am Joanna May Maniklang. Hey, Joanna, tell me about yourself. I've been working for customer service roles for 3 years and I have experience dealing with customer inquiries and complaints. Why are you interested in this company? I believe that this company offers me the opportunity to grow and develop my skills while also making a meaningful contribution to the organization. What are your strengths and weaknesses? I am very loyal and hardworking, ma'am. My weaknesses, sometimes I help others a lot and I am very emotional. How do you handle stress and pressure? I am dealing with it by taking a break, going for a walk or listening to music and talking to someone I trust and sharing my feelings helps me to cope. Wow, your personality is good. You have experience and smart mind. I think you are the right person for this job. Thank you, ma'am. I will never disappoint you. Congrats, you got this job. Thank you so much, ma'am.
We are committed to your growth and development. Our goal is to help you succeed and advance in your career. Welcome our company.